Good day everyone, this is Quick and Easy Microwave Nesquik Chocolate Mug Cake. First, add 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of Nesquik chocolate powder, and to replace 1 egg, I combine 1 teaspoon of Mackenzie egg replacer and 2 tablespoons of water, and then I just whisk for 20 seconds. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of Hershey chocolate syrup. Mix it well until smooth. Now, put your mug in the middle of the microwave oven and cook on high for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Remember, cooking time are a guide and may vary depending on your appliances. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye!